Okay, this is the Shelby after I finally got it out of the box. You can see the Cobra backing from the box. So it took, I think, 8 screws to get this thing out. And this is the car. It's a beautiful car. I love the tires. Goodyear tires. It's really, really detailed. Shelby Classics did a good job on this. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. As you can see in here, the doors do open. And they are it is pretty detailed inside, I must say. Got your badge. Gauges. It does have pedals. And opening trunk, nothing really to see there. And the hood, which locks down. I had it down just a little bit ago, but it does have a stopper to see the engine. It's a really nice car for 1/18 scale diecast. They did a good job. I don't see any problems anywhere on this car. I don't see any deficiencies. You know, right down to the rivets. And then you've got the Cobra. Come on, camera. Got the Cobra badge. There we go. Then you put your engine. So all in all, kind of a cool car. I like it. And I think it'll fit in good with the others. So, if you're looking for a Shelby Cobra, there's the batteries right back there. If you're looking for a Shelby Cobra, I think this would be a good one to get. There's a lot of detail in these. And they're not really expensive at all. You know, you can pick one up for, oh, I don't know, probably 30 bucks, something like that. Maybe 35. But for Shelby 427, I think that's pretty cool. I don't know about you, but I do. Right down to the mirrors. Good detail all the way around. You know, right down to the gas cap too. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Camera's not wanting to work with me today, but it never does, never wants to. But anyway, that's the Shelby Cobra. 1/18 scale, full diecast. And I think these wheels really set it off. That Goodyear rubber looks good on those. and it is by Shelby Collectables. I'll put it back in here and we'll call it good. There you go, guys. Take it easy. Later on.